ఐదో రోజు పార్లమెంట్ వర్షాకాల సమావేశాలు తిరిగి ప్రారంభమయ్యాయి. ఇప్పుడు ఆ లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper mentioned against my name at serial number 4 in today's
item number 5, Sanjay Seth ji.
Sir, with your kind permission, rise to lay on the table of the House a copy each of the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 5 in today's revised list of business.
सभा की बैठकों में से सदस्यों
The Committee on Absence.
Honorable Chairman Sir, I rise to lay on the table Hindi and English versions of the statement showing action taken by the government on recommendations contained in the reports of Public Accounts Committee as listed against my name at serial number 7 in today's list of business. Thank you, sir.
item number 8, Shri Ziaur Rahman ji.
My dear sir, I rise to lay the following report of the Standing Committee on Education. Number 8 today's order papers list. Report on the action taken by the government on the recommendation contained in the effect report on demand for grant 2025-26 of the Ministry of Women and Children Development. 80th report on action taken by the government on the recommendation contained in the 368th report on review of functioning of National Council for Teacher or Education. NCT and initiative taken to support training of teachers in light of thrust of capacity building of teachers of the Department of School Education and Nutrition, Ministry of Education and 381 report on action taken by the government on action taken in the 380 on demand of grant 2020.
शिक्षा मंत्री इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो।
The report was
शिक्षा मंत्री इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो।
2026 when the House was not in session and forwarded to the Honorable Speaker.
चोर से इस्तीफा दिलाओ, चोर से इस्तीफा.
Circulation of the reports were given by the Honorable Speaker. Thank you.
item number 9, Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal ji.
Honorable Chairperson, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to announce the government business during the week commencing Monday, that 27th July 2026 will consist of number 1, consideration of any item of government business carried over from today's order paper.
शून्य प्रहर में भी आपके
Discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Supreme Court number of judges amendment ordinance 2026 number 1 of 2026 and consideration and passing of the Supreme Court number of judges amendment bill 2026. Number 2, consideration and passing of the prevention of insult to national honor amendment bill 2026 after it is introduced, considered and passed by the Rajya Sabha. Number 3, consideration and passing of the micro, small and medium enterprises development amendment bill 2026 after it is introduced, considered and passed by the Rajya Sabha. Number 4, discussion on demand for access grant for the year 2022-23 and introduction, consideration and passing of the related appropriation bill. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
नियम 377 के अधीन
Matters under Rule 377.
just any provided only by Business Advisory Committee. Let's you bring just any in form of resolution to the speaker. कभी होगा तो आप इसको अब स्पीकर साहब छोड़िए. मैंने अगर सरकार तैयार है नहीं आगे तो सरकार अगर तैयार
If the government is ready for a discussion, then
बिल पे बात हो.
I want an